What up guys, welcome to Chef Vic, and today on another episode of Simple and Delicious Breakfast, I'm going to teach you a nice, delicious buttermilk pancake. And it's of course going to be a little on the healthy side, but mix the whole wheat flour with the regular to make it more delicious and top it off with a slightly sweetened yogurt, and of course drizzle that beautiful honey right on top of your pancake. So stick around and enjoy. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with melting some coconut oil. That's going to be roughly 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. It's melted nice and gently. And then we're going to start off with a dry mix, of course. That's be all-purpose. And then we're going to add our whole wheat flour. And then we're going to give that a little quick whisk right here, just to blend the flours together. And then we're going to add, of course, our salt, our sugar, our baking powder into it. This really is a good recipe for this, guys. Then we're gonna give that a good little quick whisk right there, and then we're gonna set it aside. And let's get started our wet ingredients. Now for the wet ingredients, it'll be of course 1 egg, and then buttermilk. All the measurements of these ingredients will be in below descriptions below for the exact recipe. But we're gonna add your buttermilk, and then you're gonna whisk that up to bind the egg and the buttermilk together. And then from there you're gonna add your vanilla extract, or if you have it, you can add your fresh vanilla bean or that delicious vanilla paste. So good, guys. Just give that a quick whisk together, and then we're gonna start to bind the dry with the wet. So you're gonna add it and slowly whisk it. Now here's the critical part: you don't want over whisk your pancake batter. And I'm also a big believer of letting your pancake batter to rest. It allows the flour to hydrate and also allows the baking powder to really do its thing, and will make it more airy, fluffy pancake in the end result. So just lightly do that. Lumps is okay. Make sure there's not big lumps, but lumps is okay. And then here I am forgetting to add the coconut oil, but we're gonna add it. So you're gonna add your coconut oil, and make sure after you melt it, though, let it cool slightly, because you don't want to add hot oil. That will fry the batter up, and that will be no good. But after you whisk it, this is the time to let your batter rest, and then we could start off with the yogurt topping. I'm using a plain Greek yogurt, and then I'm gonna flavor it with some vanilla extract and honey. At this point, this is up to you guys. I will put the measurements to make this, but it all depends how sweet you want. You want a little more sweeter, add a little more honey. If you want more vanilla flavor to it, add, of course, more vanilla. But it's like your preference. Just add to the taste. Make sure you taste it, because you want it kind of sweet by the honey and flavorful by the vanilla. And it really complements the pancake. So you're gonna get a nice medium sized pan, heat it up by using olive avocado oil, but any kind of oil you have at hand is perfectly fine. You can use a little butter if you want to, perfectly fine. But you're gonna add a ladleful of your pancake batter right there. I set on a medium heat, not too hot but not too cold, because it allows the pancake to really cook that golden brown color you can see on diners. So right here, again, I should get a bigger pan, but scoop it underneath and just flip, just like so. See, having low heat will give you that beautiful coloration onto your pancakes like that. So to plate this up, I give a good old 3 stack, and then we're gonna throw a little dollop of the sweetened yogurt, and then you're gonna top it off with fruit. This is kind of gonna be almost like a parfait type of pancake, very delicious. Good and decent, good and healthy. Any kind of fruit really you want. Any kind of fruit you like with yogurt, perfectly fine. I'm just going with a little bit of the banana, strawberry, and blueberry. That's kind of like my go-to fruits I like to eat. But you're gonna put these guys right on top. Nice beautiful colors as you can see. And then of course you guys are gonna garnish it with some granola and adds that texture, give it a crunch. Use any kind of granola you have at hand, or you like to make some homemade, that's perfectly fine. And then check out this lovely delicious little maple syrup right on top. Oh yeah. And then enjoy this little cool B-roll. That's the awesome, delicious pancake recipe for the. It's all a little on the healthier side. I hope you guys enjoy that. But again, though, if you guys want a vegan, be my guest. Use the non-dairy milk instead of buttermilk, or you can use any kind. If you want butter, just make sure you add the butter while it's melted. You melt the butter first, then add to the pancake mix and mix it up instead of the coconut oil. If you guys are not a big fan of that, or use any kind of oil really too. So, hope you guys enjoy that recipe. It's pretty damn good. It's really tasty, guys. I hope you guys really enjoy that. But yeah, so if you hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know if you guys have any ideas of any breakfast recipe you guys want me to make for you guys. I'd be happy to share those kind of recipes with you guys. And also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe. Just click on it. Just click. And hit the bell, of course, to notify you from upcoming new videos is coming your way. So again, guys, stay safe out there, stay healthy, and I will see you guys